numbers together to find the answer. Here's the word problem for the first problem on the top. Kara has 47 stickers. She buys 20 more stickers. How many stickers does she have now? Okay, so if she has 47, how would I draw it with tens blocks 47? 4 tens and 7 ones. Thank you. All right. Then it says she buys 20 more. Boys and girls, how would you draw 20 more?
10.
How many?
2
2 tens. Okay. So all we have to do is basically this time just count. How many tens? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. And then how many ones?
67.
So 67 would be how many stickers she has now.
That's a lot of stickers.
Yep. 67 stickers. Are you ready for the bottom one? 67 stickers. Right, stickers look like.
You're going to have to do it third grade.
Yep, you will have to write labels in third grade.
All the way. That's what mine is.
All right, here's the next one. Tyrone has 30 stickers. He buys 52 more stickers. How many stickers does he have now? So he had 30 to begin with, so how do I draw that?
3 tens.
3 tens.
No one.
No ones, right? No ones. Okay, and then he buys 52 more. How do I draw that?
5 tens.
And
2 ones.
2 ones. Okay, so what do? Add all the what? First. Tens first, right? How many tens do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, and how many ones?
82.
How many ones?
82.
2 ones. So what's my number?
82.
82 stickers.
That's 8.
Okay, quickly write that, and then we will turn to the next page.
You can just copy off the top one.
Yes, we can. As long as I can turn the page.
They have the all this row for it.
On the top. At the bottom, I will help you with. Okay? All right, turn it over.
So we're making.
Okay, so boys and girls, you're taking ones from an add-in to make the other add-in the next tens number. Okay? So, they did 25 plus 48. They had 2 tens, 5 ones, and then 4 tens, 8 ones. Now, they're going to take from the one that has the least number of ones and give it to the one that has the most number of ones, okay? So, 25, 5 ones is less than 8 ones, okay? 5 ones is less than 8 ones. So they are taking 2 tens from the 5 and bringing it over here to the 8 to make it 2 more tens, okay? Or another 2 more ones to make it 10, okay? So now this is a 10, boys and girls, okay? This is a 10 just like those. So now they have, well, okay, so now they come over here. So now how many tens and ones do I have now that I took them away for this first number? There's 2 tens and 3 ones, which is what number?
23.
23. So now they have 23 here, since they took that away. But now they have how much here? How many 10s here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this
5.
is another 10, which is now 5, which is 50. So now you have 23 plus 50. So if you have 50, then add the 2 ones from over here. That would be 60 and 70. And then how many ones?
3.
So our answer would be
73.
73. Okay, so looking over here, 37 and 25, they have the picture for you. You don't have to draw it. However, you do have to take from it. So, the 7 is bigger than the 5, right? So we're going to take as many ones that we need from the 5 to bring over here to 7. How many ones do we need to make that 7 a 10? 3. So they circled 3 of them. And they said they're bringing them over here. Okay, so basically you're crossing them off like they're not there anymore. Okay? They are now over here. Okay? So now that makes this number what?
10.
No, that makes it 10, 20, 30, and now 40. So that first picture now has 40 10 blocks. And then this one has how many?
20.
20 what?
2.
2. So it's 40 plus 22. 40 plus another 2 10s would be
80.
no, 40 plus 2 10s. 40 plus another 10 would be plus another 10 would be 60. And then how many ones? 62. Okay? Grace said, pay attention. Your parents are not going to give you the answer for your shoes. Okay, number 2. Which one has the most ones, boys and girls?
The first one.
Okay, yes, the first one. No, the first one has more ones. No, I'm asking for more ones. Which one has more ones? Okay, the first one has more ones. So we're going to take the one, take some of the ones from the second picture to make the ones all to a 10 on that first one, okay? So, this has more ones. How many ones do we need to take from over here to bring over here to make it 10?
3.
Okay, so circle 3, bring them over here. 1, 2, 3. Those are gone now. Cross them out. Okay, those are gone now. Cross them out. Okay, now let's, how many, what's this number now, I guess? 30. Okay, that is now 30. What's this number now?
42. 43.
43. There are 3 ones. Okay, so we're just doing 30 plus 43. Okay?
70.
So we have 30.
73.
Yep. We have 30 over here, right, boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay. 40, 50, 60, 73.
73.
Does that make sense? Okay. So let's do 14 minus 29. Which one? We look at the ones, right?
This one has more.
Which one has more ones?
The second.
The second one, right? So we gotta steal some over here. How many do we need to steal from the 14?
1.
Okay, so circle it, draw a picture over, make 1, cross this one out. I just like to color it in so I don't see it anymore. Now look at this picture. How many do I have right here?
You have 15. You have
Yeah, I have 1 10 and 3 ones, which is 13. Look at your second picture. What do you have there?
30.
Yep, 30. 3 10s. Okay. Now, I always start with the one that has the 0. 30. Add another 10, which would be
40.
and then your 1. 40 what? How many ones do you have left over, guys? 3. 43.
I kind of get this now.
Okay. I am going to let you work with a partner on your own. We will do the hot problem. You guys, listen. You have to draw a picture on this one. Okay? And then you can do the homework on your own, okay? If you need to draw a picture on this one to get this one, I would do that too. Okay, hot problem. The chart shows the leaves that Philip collected. He had green leaves, brown leaves, and yellow leaves. There were 27 green leaves, 29 brown leaves, 25 yellow leaves. He wants to collect 52 leaves using only 2 colors. Which 2 colors of leaves should he use? Okay, we're going to have to guess and check. 27 and 29. Okay, green. We'll try green and brown first. Will that work?
Yeah.
Okay, so green, brown. All right, so 27. How do I draw 27?
2 10. 7 1.
2 10, 7 1s. And how do I draw
2
the
10.
brown? 2 10s and
9 1.
9 1s. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So what do I need to do? I need to take, which one has more ones?
Brown. Brown.
Yeah, brown has more ones. Right?
Yep.
So let's take 1 from over here. And bring it over here, right?
Yep.
Okay. So this number is now what?
30.
No, this number is
26.
6 plus, and you said 30 over here, right? Okay, 26 plus 30. Yeah, what does that equal? 30, 40,
40.
56. Is that what we want?
Yep.
Is that what we want?
No.
We want 52. So it's not going to be brown and green.
It's going to be.
Should we try green and yellow?
Yes. I knew it was green.
Okay, so green is
27.
Yellow is
25.
okay. All right. Which one has more ones?
Green.
Green. So you take some from the yellow. How many am I going to take?
3.
3 and bring them over here. Okay. How many greens do I have now? 30. And how many yellow?
50.
Well, no, how many yellow?
20.
20. 20 what?
2.
Okay, and that equals